Good afternoon, everyone. So I am headed to Home Depot to grab a few items for my DIY project. I will show y'all what all I grab and take y'all into Home Depot. See y'all there. Bye. I decided to grab this Restyle chalkboard paint in the color linen white. And then I get a 2x2. So taking my now 12 by 24 inch piece of wood, I am using this scrap piece of wood that I used on a previous project, and I am measuring it at 12 inches, and then I am going to take my handsaw and cut it at that 12 inch. So I am going to clamp it at the first mark I made and cut it. And then I'm going to repeat that same step on the second side. Alright, so now I have my piece cut, and I will actually be gluing it so that the 12 by 24 piece of plywood will be able to stand up. Now I'm going to take my clamps and clamp it and let it hold for a little while to let it set. I also am going to take my staple gun and add a little reinforcement staples in there. I want to make sure this is sturdy. As you can see, it's dark now, guys, but I am actually just wanting to measure out the wooden dowels that we got so that I can add the holes in the morning. I did 3 4-inch pieces. What I do here is saw the wooden dowel down, not all the way, so that I can actually just snap it, which gives it a smoother and cleaner look. And then I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process. I'm taking this Restyle chalkboard paint in the linen white so that I can do my top coat. So this is the next morning. I am actually going to sand down this piece now that I have sprayed it. And then I also sand down the wooden dowels to make sure there's no splinters. So I am going in here and measuring down to see the distance that I want. So I am measuring 5 inches going down and 3 inches going inwards. So I'll be able to have 8 donuts or bagels on the stand. now I'm going to take my drill and I am going to drill the holes where I have marked it. And then once I finish all the holes, I ended up sanding that so that there's no splinters or no lifted wood. And then once that's done, I make sure to clean out all the wood chips and go in with my hot glue gun and E6000 glue to reinforce and hold the wooden dowels into the holes. But that is it, guys. I have now finished that and I'm gonna let it dry. And once it's dry, I'm going to come back in with my Restyle chalkboard paint and paint the final coat. Later on, going to fill the back holes in with my wood filler just to give it a seamless back. But yeah, basically that's it. I am just finishing the paint on the back. I'm gonna let it dry. Alright guys, so that is all for this week's DIY bagel donut wall. And if you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscription button below. And also leave a comment and let me know what next you'll like to see me try here on my channel. I talk to y'all next week. Bye.